Good afternoon everyone, this is Matthew GS. In today's video we're going to be sharing with you how you can blur in Shotcut a lot more easier and a lot more faster with better precision. So as you can see, I'm currently in Shotcut. We're on the latest version, just downloaded the latest version as of 7th of June 2025, and what you want to do is you want to first open up the file. So in this example, we'll create a video track. We'll open up a video that I've done today, which is this one here. So this is a trading strategy that I do on a weekly or fortnightly basis over on my channel over the 51362 EMA strategy. So if we drag the video over to here, okay, and say for example we want to blur out this FP Markets. FP Markets is just my broker. Before, I mean, I've got these filters saved already, but before we used to do blur, Gaussian. I think we used the mask simple or mask apply, and there was, I think we used both. I can't really remember from the top of my head because I haven't used it for quite a while, but there's three things we had to use, and you have to use them in a certain order for the blur to basically blur properly to the proper effect. Okay, but there's a very faster, quicker way that I found out, and someone's left me a comment saying it's not that great, and I do agree. There is a better way. So you want to find something called spot remover. Okay, I've already got it in my favorites, but there is a, so you can just search here actually. You're gonna have to search yourself. Sorry, I've saved it as spot remover. So if we just choose spot remover, and then we have that like this, and then you can just click the middle, and you can click and drag wherever you want it on the video. So say we want it here, you can drag it out like this. You should obviously see these white squares. Drag it like this, drag it up like that, and then drag it down like that, and then that is completely blurred now. There's no way you can see any of that, and it's precision, so you get it exactly where you want it. Whereas before we had to like move it around through the position and the sizing over here to the left, but this way we literally just chuck it on and then drag it to where we want it. And another great thing is we can then, if we want to say blur this trading view up here, we click the plus here, click spot remover, and it chucks another one on. So we could just drag like this over like this, go like this, go like this, and like that. And then we've got two things blurred out now. And there's no way you're going to see that when you save the video and you upload it to wherever. It's completely blurred out. Very, very simple, very, very fast, and yeah, it's been a real game changer for me finding the spot remover. It's just so quick and easy. When I'm doing my video editing, if I've want to cover my email address, my personal email, I don't want the world to know what that is, I just chuck the spot remover on, chuck it over where I need it, and then that's it. It's all blurred, it's all good, it's all quick. Appreciate you watching this video. Give us a thumbs up, give us a sub, and let me know if you will be using the spot remover in your Shotcut journey. See you in the next one. Bye.